What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today I'm here at where I was the other day trying to get myself my quote for my front lip. So I'm gonna go inside, get this quote. Sorry, it's too loud. I'm gonna go inside, get my quote, and I'm gonna see what else is going on, and then I'm gonna go deliver this message to the transportation company of how much it costs to fix my front lip, and let's see what happens from there. But today I'm gonna get my money. Oh yeah. And just like that, we are back in here, ready to get my quote. Hopefully this works out. There's still, oh wow, look at that car. Oh my God, that is beautiful. That is insane right there. Holy crap. Wow. Absolutely wow. Man, they work on some fancy cars in here. What is this? Yep, SLS, AMG. Man, with the, look at those doors though. Oh wow, absolutely beautiful. Man, they work on some fancy cars in here. I'll tell you that. Look at that. And the results are in. I'm here. That's what they're working on. That's what it consists of. And that's how much it costs. 2,142 euro. Wow. Most of it's that 19% tax. Look at that. Insane. Loud cars everywhere. This is the spot. I'm liking it. I like the quote that I'm getting. The only reason why I like the quote that I'm getting is because, well, one, I didn't break it, the shipping company broke it, so that means the shipping company is gonna pay for my front lip. And you know what? I'm gonna get paid out. That's all it is. That's all I want. Get paid out for this. Look at that damage. That is that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all, but oh well, it's gonna get fixed. All right, where am I going? I am going to turn it in. All right, let's do this. So much traffic today. I don't think I'll ever make this left. Probably got smashed on the gas pedal. Oh yeah. There this person goes, but then there's that person. Can't make it because of those trucks. Oh, I'm gonna make this left turn. Man, Germany's busy. Germany is busy. Oh, my time to shine. Make that left. Oh, here we go. Sports Plus. Downshift. Manual. Downshift. Go. Sorry about the wind. Fun times. Coming up on this cool little traffic circle. Says go 50. Okay. Nobody left. Nope, nobody right. Let's go. All right. What is going on here? Oh, what the heck is that? I think that was a speed camera in Germany. So I'm hearing these things that the speed cameras here in Germany is green. And yeah, that was like a green box. That was kind of like, whoa. I've never seen one before. That was my first time seeing one. What the heck? They hit that thing behind the guardrail. That's crazy. Oh my God. No wonder people get tickets so easily here. All right, I currently tried to turn in my estimate, and they're closed. They are closed, so I have to come back tomorrow. I missed them by 40 minutes, but it's okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my first shop that I decided to go to and see if they have the quote ready for me. It's been 3 weeks, So let's see if they've done anything about it. Maybe they just don't know how to contact me or something. I'm just hoping that they didn't forget. I just want to see what they would put down as a quote. The shipping company might ideally reject my quote if it's too high. I don't think it's too high. There's a lot of stuff that I go in. Take off the bumper, take off the lip, add fiberglass, use all that resin, and then sand it down and add filler, sand it down, and then wrap it. So, and then reinstall it, put the bumper back on. A lot of labor. So hopefully this works out. I'm gonna go check these guys out, but they're over there somewhere, so I need to go downtown Grafenweer. This is pretty much where I'm staying, mostly. For the most part, the shop over there looks open, so hopefully this works. And nobody's coming? All right, I'm going. Wow, look at this cluster right here. Man, everybody's coming here. Well, the door's open, so that means they must be open. And turn off. All right, leave my window open because it's pretty close. Hopefully I don't hit this car. Oh my God. All right, my favorite part. Yes, favorite part. All right, so I'm going over there. Hopefully I can get my quote. All right, okay. As expected, he forgot. He didn't do it. It's been 3 weeks. Let me say it again. It's been 3 weeks. So, I mean, 3 weeks for him to make a quote for me to get a front lip fixed. I mean, he can't be that busy to not try to have a customer, right? I mean, all right. If he doesn't have it, he doesn't have it. He said he'll have it by tonight, but whatever. Honestly, at this point, I'm glad I got the second shop to help me out because they got everything written down the way I need it, and I'm hoping that it works out. But this place, if they could give me a second quote, sure, whatever. But I'm pretty disappointed. I guess I'll just go do something else or speed around or something. All right, here we go. And let's get back on the street. Now, I think it was a bad idea visiting the shop because he didn't remember my name or remember my face. Well, once I set my car, he recognized what job it was. Like he knew about the job. It's just he forgot my face, forgot my name, but knew about the job once I set the car. So I don't know what's more disrespectful, you know, not remember me or just like not even trying to go back to his quotes and like text messages. He has text messages. I gave him a text messages of all the information and he didn't do anything with it. Man, oh well. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong for thinking that way because he only seen me one time, but let me know what you guys think. Was it wrong that he forgot my name, forgot the quote, all that stuff? I mean, let me know. He recognized the car because this is the one of one, if not the only RCF in this side of Germany. So yeah, he recognized the car because it's the only one here, but other than that, you don't recognize me. But let me know. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you think that was wrong of him or just like whatever. So anyways, I'm on my way to go on some road, go on some drive. Alright, I'm gonna head down this little path right here and see what it entails. Oh, that's a no-go. That was a car. Dangerous. Alright, let's get to this. Man, love the CKS combination with the Fig solid bushings. It's doing its thing. Max stiffness and direct steering. No body roll, like very minimal body roll. Man, all my suspensions coming together. It's a great feeling. car, no car. Yes. Woo! 275, 305 rear. Wow. Great grip. Oh, there's this guy. Oh, time to go again. Corner, 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 and go. And go. Alright, well, that's gonna be the end of my little drive. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope just leave a comment, let me know if I'm wrong for feeling the way I feel about the way that guy doesn't remember me, this and that. But other than that, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can't wait till I turn in my estimate tomorrow and hopefully they say yes. If not, I'm gonna have to get another estimate. But overall, I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.